everybody, welcome to Danny's Art Club. I'm Danny. And as you can see today, I'm at a farm and I'm with these animals here. What are they called? I forget. It's not a cow. It's not a sheep. It's what is it? I know the noise. It goes oink, oink, oink. It's a pig. A pig. That's it. Okay, we're going to try drawing a pig today, girls and boys. So get your paper and your pens ready, and here we go. Okay, guys, let's start drawing this pig. Right. Well, we'll start with the nose. Here we go, and his little nostrils. Lovely. Now some eyes. 1, 2. Here we go. Lovely. Now we'll do his pupils. And colour them in. There we go. Lovely. Right. Next. Okay. Let's do his head and his ears. Okay, let's top his head and his big fat mouth. Lovely. And a little mouth there, just smiling away. There we go. And a big ear. And another big ear, just like that. Lovely. And the inside of his ear. Okay, we should start doing the body now. There we go. Did you know that the pigs are actually really, really clean animals, you know? So, I don't know why they like to roll around in mud all day. Don't sound very clean to me. Anyway. Right, we've done his legs. Now we've got to do his curly little tail. That's the best bit of a pig, little tail. There we go. Looking good. I think we're almost finished. There we are. Just do a little bit on his feet. I think that's it. Yep, we're all done. Right, time to colour in now. Yay! There you go, guys. I hope you like him. Oink, oink. See you next time.